Picture yourself standing on a mountain overlook as the first light of day creeps across the landscape. Mist fills the valleys, and you're ready to capture the moment not with a bulky, complex drone, but with a lightweight, pocket-sized device. One tap, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro lifts into the air. The image on your controller is stunning crisp, real-time footage that sweeps across a glowing waterfall. Your recording is smooth and cinematic, captured in high resolution for HDR. If recent leaks are anything to go by, this next-generation drone may soon become a daily companion for creators and aerial enthusiasts alike. DJI has long dominated the consumer drone market, and each new release in the Mini series has raised the bar. From the original Mini to the Mini 4 Pro, they've consistently delivered more power and smarter tech in increasingly compact designs. Now, early reports suggest the Mini 5 Pro isn't just a modest upgrade, it's a significant evolution. Expect meaningful enhancements like extended flight time, a more advanced camera system, improved obstacle detection, and a video transmission range that could set new industry standards. Whether you're into filmmaking, real estate, travel vlogging, or simply enjoy flying, these updates promise to reshape what's possible with a compact drone. So what's new? Exactly. Based on leaks and early glimpses, DJI seems to be redefining the Mini lineup's capabilities. Let's break down what that means in terms of performance, design, and features, and how it all translates to real-world use, especially for pilots in the United States. The story of DJI's Mini series is one of rapid evolution. When the original Mavic Mini launched, it offered a lightweight, registration-friendly drone with solid HD video perfect for beginners and casual flyers. While it had its limitations, it democratized drone flying. The Mini 2 improved on that with better video quality and stronger signal transmission. Then came the Mini 3 Pro, adding pro features like obstacle sensing and vertical video. The Mini 4 Pro took things further with smarter AI and upgraded connectivity. But users still crave the main things: longer battery life and a camera to match larger, more professional drones. Enter the Mini 5 Pro. According to reliable sources, it might be addressing both of those long-standing requests in a big way. Flight time has always been a balancing act. Most Minis have hovered around the 30-minute mark, which, while decent, can feel limiting during longer shoots or client work. But the Mini 5 Pro could extend that dramatically, possibly to 50 minutes per charge. This change opens up a whole new range of creative and practical possibilities. Longer sessions without the pressure to swap batteries means you can wait for ideal light, experiment with different angles, and generally shoot with more freedom. Professionals in real estate or tourism can cover more ground without interruption. Charging may get an upgrade too. Faster recharge times could reduce downtime, making it easier to stay in the air more often. For those working under tight deadlines or with multiple locations to cover, this efficiency could be a game changer. Of course, extended airtime only matters if the footage it captures meets expectations. And this is where the camera upgrades really shine. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to include a significantly larger sensor, possibly close to 1 inch in size. A larger sensor means better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and richer image detail. This could eliminate common issues like noisy footage at dusk or blown-out highlights on sunny days. Whether you're flying over city skylines or mountain ranges, the difference in image quality will be noticeable. The drone is also expected to support 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, complete with HDR capabilities. That means ultra-smooth motion and cinematic color and contrast, even in challenging lighting situations. Think glowing sunsets, shimmering water, or shaded forest trails rendered in lifelike detail. What's more, the addition of professional video profiles like log and HLG could give editors the flexibility they need for color grading and integrating drone shots into larger video projects. It's a serious tool for content creators, not just a hobbyist toy. And for those creating for social platforms, vertical shooting features are expected to be improved too. That means crisp portrait format video without the need to crop or sacrifice resolution, perfect for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. There's even buzz around built-in audio recording, which could help vloggers add ambient sound without external mix. It's clear that DJI is paying attention not just to specs but to how people actually use drones. This drone could streamline your workflow, whether you're documenting travels or producing commercial content. As always, leaks and sneak peeks are fueling excitement. Early footage showed flight data screens confirming settings like 4000 resolution, a wide f1.7 aperture, low ISO, and fast shutter speeds, all consistent with a bright, high-performance lens and upgraded sensor. More impressive still is the rumored jump in transmission range. The Mini 5 Pro might push its live feed distance up to 25 kilometers. While most drone laws still require maintaining visual line of sight, a stronger signal translates into more stable footage and fewer disconnects in signal-challenging environments. That's especially useful when flying near structures, over forests, or through mountainous terrain. It also makes for a more reliable and immersive piloting experience. Finally, safety is getting a boost as well. The new model could include enhanced obstacle avoidance with wide-angle sensors and improved detection technology. This provides peace of mind, especially in tight or unpredictable flying conditions, giving pilots the freedom to focus on composition rather than potential collisions. In the end, the DJI Mini 5 Pro seems poised to deliver an unprecedented mix of portability, power, and professional-grade performance. Whether you're a seasoned drone operator or just getting started, it looks like DJI is about to make the sky even more accessible and more creative than ever.